This is a 2008 Honda Odyssey, the vehicle with enough space for you and yours. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a moonroof, heated front seats, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, variable cylinder management, an electronic throttle, a rear spoiler, multi-reflector halogen headlights, heated side view mirrors, and roof rails. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Jerry Damson Honda in Florence, Alabama. New Hondas, great on gas and service after the sale. Complimentary coffee, Wi-Fi, and car washes. Thank you for choosing Jerry Damson Honda.